Welcome to Moo Moo Math and Science. In this video, let's go over how to convert 4 5/10 into a fraction. Let's begin by placing 4 5/10 over 1. Now we need to move the decimal to the far right, and we can do this by multiplying 4 5/10 or the numerator by 10. When we do that, the decimal moves to the right, and so you have 45. What you do to the numerator, you need to do to the denominator. So 1 times 10 is 10. So now we have the fraction 45/10. But we can reduce this. Since 45 ends in 5, I know it's divisible by 5. 5 goes into 45 9 times, and 5 goes into 10 2 times. So now I think we can simplify this fraction by dividing well, actually, there's no number that goes into 9 and 2, so it is simplified now. So if you'd like, you convert it into a mixed fraction by dividing 9 by 2, and 2 goes into 9 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8, and then 9 minus 8 is 1, so it becomes 4 1/2. I hope that was helpful.